Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the Xtool D8 BT Automotive Diagnostic Scan Tool. If you're passionate about cars and want to keep them running smoothly, this tool might just be your new best friend. Stick around as we dive into a comprehensive review of the Xtool D8 BT and explore its features, performance, and how it can benefit both dealers and professional mechanics. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. So, let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Opening the package, you'll find the Xtool D8 BT securely nestled in foam padding, along with a user manual, USB cable, and a carrying case. The packaging is sturdy, giving you confidence that your diagnostic tool is well protected during shipping. Now, let's talk about the design. The Xtool D8 BT sports a sleek and ergonomic design with a user-friendly interface on a vibrant display. The build quality is robust and the device feels durable in your hands. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and carry around, whether you're working in your garage or at a professional auto shop. Now, let's delve into the features that make the Xtool D8 BT stand out. Wireless freedom. Ditch the cables and messy connections. The D8 BT connects seamlessly via Bluetooth, letting you move around freely while diagnosing. Full system scan. No more guessing games. The D8 BT provides full system scanning, allowing you to explore and diagnose every aspect of your vehicle, from the engine and transmission to the ABS and airbags. Bi-directional control. Not just reading, but doing. This scanner lets you send commands to the car, activating components for precise testing and troubleshooting. ECU coding. Unlock hidden features and customize your car's settings like a pro. Remember, check compatibility first. 38+ reset and service functions, oil resets, EPB resets, SAS calibration. You name it, the D8 BT handles it, saving you time and money. Key programming. Say goodbye to expensive locksmiths. The D8 BT can even program new keys for select car models. Again, compatibility check. User-friendly interface. No mechanic jargon here. The D8 BT's interface is clear, intuitive, and packed with helpful guides and tutorials. Durable and rugged, this scanner is built to last, withstanding workshop wear and tear. Support can FD protocol and 95% car coverage and 16 languages. D8 BT scanner supports CAN FD cars, which is compatible with GM Chevrolet Cadillac cars after 2020, and it can work on 10,000 plus cars with OBD2. The extensive vehicle coverage can provide you with almost every diagnostic option a mechanic could need. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze. From reading and clearing trouble codes to live data streaming, the Xtool D8 BT offers a comprehensive suite of diagnostic functions. It also supports advanced features like ABS and seniors system diagnostics, making it a powerful tool for tackling complex automotive issues. Here are some pros and cons about Xtool D8 BT. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, comprehensive diagnostics, advanced features, user-friendly interface, free software updates, durability. Cons: cost, more expensive than some other OBD2 scanners on the market. Limited support for some European models, may not fully support all features for certain European car models. Subscription required after 3 years. In conclusion, the Xtool D8 BT Automotive Diagnostic Scan Tool combines sleek design, powerful features, and reliable performance, making it a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining and diagnosing their vehicles. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this tool has got you covered. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning into Weekly Tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, happy diagnosing and safe driving.